This is Bob Davis 321 testing out my homemade laser on my new rebuilt CNC machine. I literally bought a 2-watt laser diode on eBay and put it into an enclosure. There's a cooling fan, but it's not even getting warm at this point. I'm also using a laser controller, but I just simply have it wired into a 9-volt battery for now. Been adjusting the current to get it to the right amount. It shows up a lot more on the camera than it does. Well, of course I'm wearing the glasses, so with my glasses on I can hardly see it. The camera really shows the laser working away. I was primarily concerned with the old CNC machine before I had the continuously supported rails. If you approached an angle or an arc from two different directions, you got two different results. The arcs didn't line up. And so that's what I'm looking for now, is if I resolve that issue. So anyways, that's a laser doing its thing on a CNC machine. It's my rebuilt CNC with the T-rails and all that kind of stuff. Continuously supported rails, and all of the lasers kind of really cobbled into the wiring right now. That's all for now.